What is securities law?
What is securities law?
In general, securities law are the laws that cover
securities law are the
What
laws
are
that cover
securities?
securities.
Generally, as a
So
definition,
what are
a security is a form of
generally,
negotiable
as a definition,
instrument. A security
that
is
somehow
a form of
represents
negotiable
value
instrument
that is derived
somehow
from
represents
equity debt,
value that is
derivative,
derived
or
from
hybrid
equity debt,
instruments.
derivative. But the
or
easiest way to
hybrid
think about a
instruments
security
is usually
that is
sold
usually
by a company or a group
that is
whereby
sold by a company
the
or a
things
group
sold
whereby
represent some
the
level of
things
ownership
sold
interest
represent some
or
level of ownership
expectation of
profits
interest or
based upon the
expectation of
activities
of the
based
individuals
upon
who
the
sold it. So in
activities
essence, you're
of the
buying an
individuals
interest in
who sold
something.
it.
So in
The
essence,
broadest
you're buying an
category
interest in
of
something.
what falls under a
The broadest
security is generally
category
known as
of
an
what
investment
falls under a
contract.
security is
And that
generally
meets the
known as an
definition of
investment contract.
It's
And that meets
basically
the definition
some contract
whereby
it's
someone
basically
purchases
some
a
contract
right
whereby
ownership
someone
interest
purchases
in the
a right
activity
or an
of
ownership
others, and they
interest
expect
in the
to
activity
reap a
of
profit,
others, and they
from
expect
those
to
activities.
reap a profit.
And securities law
from those
is the
activities.
regime
So
that
once
is
again,
statutes
that's the
and
definition of a
regulations
security, and securities
that
law
surround or
is
control
the regime
process
that is
statutes
for
and
either
regulations
selling
that
initially
surround or
or
control
later
the
transferring or
process
selling for
securities to
selling
individuals.
initially
It controls things
or
such
later
as the amount
transferring
and
or
type of
selling
information
securities
that
to
you
individuals.
disclose to these
It
people.
controls things
prior
such as
the
to
amount and
issuing
type
it
of
for sale,
information
the
that
process
you
or means by
disclose to
which
these
you are
people
able to
prior
solicit
to
these
issuing it for
purchasers
sale
of these
the
securities.
process
Let's
or
talk
means
about
by
the
which you are able
major
to solicit
federal
these
laws that
purchasers
exist of these
to
securities.
control
So,
securities.
with that being
or the
said, let's talk
trading
about
or
the
selling of
major
securities.
The first
federal
law passed in
laws that exist
1933,
to control
called the
Securities
1933 Act,
or the
was the
trading or
first
selling
major
of
federal
securities.
law
Well,
controlling
the first law
the
passed in
sale of
1933,
securities.
and what it did
Called the
was
1933
require
Act,
specific
was the first
procedures
major federal
for
law controlling
disclosure
the
of
sale
information.
of securities. If a
And what it
company
did was
or anyone
require
issuing a
specific
security or offering a security
for
for sale
disclosure
had to
of
comply with
information
before doing so.
if a company
The
or
next
anyone
year,
issuing
in 1934,
a security
the
or offering a
1934 Act
security
created
for
the
sale
Securities and Exchange
had to
Commission
comply with
to
before doing
regulate
so.
this process, and
The next
also
year,
to
in
regulate
1934,
the
the
subsequent 1934
or later
Act created
sale
the
of
Securities
and
that were
Exchange
issued
Commission
initially
to
under the
regulate this
1933
process,
Act,
and
but were
also
later
to
regulate to
the
other
subsequent
individuals
or
in
later
the
sale
open
of
or public
securities
market
that were issued
generally issued
initially under the
or for
1933
sale
Act on a
but were
public
later
exchange
sold
or in
to
some
other
type of
individuals
over-the-counter
in the
transaction.
open or